If you're looking to elevate your online sessions with interactive tools, then you've come to the right place. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Livestorm's Whiteboard for interactive sessions. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to engage your audience like never before. The Livestorm Whiteboard is a powerful feature that allows you to visually communicate during webinars, online meetings, and training sessions. It gives you the flexibility to illustrate ideas, create diagrams, and collaborate in real time. Whether you're presenting to a small team or hosting a large virtual event, this tool can enhance your content and keep your audience engaged. To get started, head over to the Livestorm platform and make sure you're hosting a session or webinar. Once you're in, you'll notice the whiteboard feature at the top of your screen. Simply click on it to activate it. You'll be able to draw on the whiteboard using a variety of tools, such as freehand drawing, shapes, and text. This is perfect for showing diagrams, brainstorming ideas, or making on-the-fly annotations that help explain complex topics. You'll also notice options to change the color of your pen, adjust thickness, and undo or redo your strokes. This gives you complete control to tailor your visual aids. The beauty of Livestorm's Whiteboard is its simplicity and ease of use, allowing you to focus on the content rather than getting caught up in the technical details. Now, one of the best things about the whiteboard is that it's fully collaborative. Your attendees can also interact with the whiteboard during your session. You can give them access to draw and write on the board, which is ideal for brainstorming sessions or group work. This makes your sessions feel much more interactive and dynamic, keeping your participants actively involved instead of just passively watching. For larger webinars, Livestorm's Whiteboard also allows you to lock the board to prevent unauthorized edits. You can control who can draw on the board by assigning permissions, giving you the ability to manage the flow of the session smoothly. This feature is especially useful if you want to ensure that the content remains organized and on track. Another great feature of the whiteboard is the ability to save your work. Once your session is complete, you can download the whiteboard as an image or PDF. This is perfect for sharing post-session materials with your attendees or even for referencing in future sessions. Before we wrap up, let me remind you that you can try Livestorm completely free. In fact, if you sign up using the first link below, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial, giving you full access to all of Livestorm's features, including the whiteboard. This is an incredible opportunity to test out the platform and see how it can transform your sessions. In summary, Livestorm's Whiteboard is a game changer for anyone looking to make their online sessions more interactive and engaging. It's simple to use, versatile, and collaborative, and it will help you make a lasting impact on your audience. So, don't wait. Get started today, and don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial through the link below. If you found this guide useful, be sure to hit the link below for your free trial and get started with Livestorm's Whiteboard for your next interactive session. Thanks for watching.